everyone, my name is Ronit and today I am presenting you my robot help chatbot. So this is a voice control robot. So here is the brief explanation about the unit. In this unit we basically started to do everything we had planned practically. We also went through many designs changes for example removing a robotic arm. We started the building from the second class and were done with the design in second or third class of the upcoming classes. So we also did our base code in the first class after the model was built, and then the code was completed by the next day itself. But actually we couldn't complete the cardboard thing we had to put around the robot. So, but we did the design. Why are we developing it? So, in today's fast developing technological world, a voice control robot is a need in one's life. So, here are some problems I encountered while doing my research on the benefits of a voice control robot. Handicaps have difficulty in blending in today's world. So, a voice control robot is a perfect choice which can be controlled by your commanding. If robots will work for people, there can be an economical growth for the person. Kids around the world face difficulty in staying at their home alone. So a voice control robot can interact and keep them busy and play with them. Explanation and justification. We do not have to ask question for anything. You just have to speak and our robot will respond. It will help us whenever we do our homework. Heart of the robot, Alexa. So our heart of the robot is Alexa. So we are putting Alexa as the heart of the robot, as it can answer questions from if someone else asks. So Alexa is a machine that helps you in your daily life by getting updates on news, weather, etc. If you like to listen songs, it plays Bollywood and Hollywood songs. If any small kid wants to listen to rhymes, he just have to say Alexa, play nursery rhymes. That's why we are using Alexa as a heart of the robot to help people. So here is a code. So this code is only for the movement of the robot. So it will move forward, backward, right, and left. But we are using Alexa for of the as the heart of the robot. We are not programming anything for the questions or anything. And more, or structure. So this is a structure. Here, as you can see, this is the ultrasonic sensor. This is the mic from which the robot will hear. Here is the on-off button. Here are the speakers from which the robot will speak. Here is the Arduino. Here are the wheels, both wheels. Here are the motors and the wires connected from motors and wheel. And here also. So this is a picture while we were making our robot. So this we were just making the inside part of the robot, the wheels part, but we had to cover it with cardboard. Here are the steps. So first step is we gather all parts of the robot, which are Arduino, HC05 Bluetooth module, L29 3D motor driver, few jumper wires, two LEDs, two step 2 is we have to do all the connections of the Arduino board and create a robot with our materials. And the step 3 we have to program the voice control robot so that if we say forward, the robot will move forward. If we say right, left, backward, it will do that. The process: defining a problem. First, we are defining a problem, then researching and designing, then gathering information, creating a prototype, building our robot, programming and testing our robot, and evaluating our robot. The tools we used were screwdriver, cardboard, Arduino Uno, and the materials with the cost are on off button rupees 100, wires rupees 243, and the total cost is 14,501 included of all taxes. 3 kg iron rupees 410 rupees 4,100. Ultrasonic sensor rupees 2,386. Large wheels rupees 1,542. Four motors rupees 5,030. The rubber for safety rupees 400. Speakers rupees 499. And the time to complete Our robot is 3 weeks, but we delayed. Changes made while planning. Well, we well in this slide we delayed for 3 weeks as because of coronavirus. And changes made while planning. We combined with another group, means Adhiraj's group was combined with my group, me, Noyon, and Raghav. So we changed our plans accordingly as we removed the robotic arm because of some servo motor difficulty, and we had to merge ideas, which caused us on complexifying a robot and make it just a robot without ultrasonic, which will only listen voice commands and work out accordingly. Note: currently we are also thinking to add an ultrasonic sensor and a buzzer. So if example something comes in 50 centimeter of the robot, the buzzer gets on and aware the user, and if a human that someone is coming or that a obstacle is near. That's for the ultrasonic sensor. So here are the reflections. This is my reflection and this is Adiraj's reflection. So thank you and this much we did of our robot.